So here are our puppies. Oh, slippery outside. Hey, that's Blue. And then we got Hildy here. What's the matter? You guys trying to get up? That's Black Collar. Hey, puppy, puppy. So that's Black, and then Hildy right over here. Okay, come on. Are you stuck in the snow? Oh, come on, you baby. Come on, puppy. Hey? Come on. There we go. It's super slippery outside. It's been raining and horrible weather. There, so that's Black Collar. And then we got Hildy. Look up. And then over here we got Blue. Hey, puppy. So that's Blue. So they're doing good again. Growing some more. Come on, puppies. Hey, puppies. Slip and slide, eh? Hey, sweetie. Good boy. It's Mr. Black. And then Hildy. Hey, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Hey? Yeah. And they're responding to their, well, not to their name, but they're responding to puppy, puppy, puppy in a high-pitched voice. Hey, you guys know what that means, eh? Yeah. Hey. Woo! There we go. It's hard just to do the video with one person. Puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Oh, here comes Hildy! Good girl! Good girl! Yeah, good puppies!